Hello, people, peasants, and other. It's been like 5-10 minutes since the last episode, and I still want to go. Do I want to go this way? Now I'm gonna go up and then do that, like I thought of last episode. I do want to get rid of some of the blue, the purple, and the red to make it even safer. I'll probably steal some of this. I want to cut this off. Yes. Okay. Oh, you're howling. Which way? A bit more. I mean, if I steal the 29 and 35 over here, it'd be easier. Besides, I think one of them go away again. 29, 35. And then we'll go up. Well, there's food. Are we hungry? No, you just really badly injured. I mean, I have a leg injury. It's fine. Doesn't really matter. But I'm pretty sure if we get food in ourselves, it'll be faster healing. Oh, this one's already injured. And it's an adult, so probably won't get, help. Oh, it will get help. Look at that. Hey, we're after the adult. Stop hitting us. Hey, Wang, why are you attacking the baby? Come on. Help. And I have to run around for a bit. Hold on. Thank you for grabbing it and slowing it down. I'll be there in a bit. Come on, Wing. Leg. Let's kill this guy. Girl. I don't know how to gender a cow elk. Wing, why are you just prowling? Oh, I got the die. Oh, you're laying on me. Haha, it's fine. Oh, if we hunt, we also get it? That's nice. Let's eat some more. Are you hungry? No, you're good. Health is 51. Okay, let's head to the 23 now. Yes? Yes. Then we'll go up. Yes, then we'll go up again. 23, 35, and then up. We should probably wait, affinity? Okay, affinity never changed since doing my WangJi, so I don't know, I had to make it go higher. I don't think there is a higher for 99. Maybe when we have pups? No, which one? 29, okay, perfect. Let's go a little bit further in, and then B. And then B. Why are you being a butt? Come on. Oh, you have a helix? All the way up there. Nope, I'm not doing that. I mean, if we go all the way up there, we'd be basically all the way over there is your helix. Let's just pee some more. Shut up. I won't. That's a burp. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we can pee again. Establish a marker. Too soon? Yeah, okay. And let's go to the 35 and up. Should I do 35, 19, 15, 24, 39, and then sleep, or 35 and then sleep? I'll do 35 and then sleep. No, I do want to cut them off there, though. So I'll do 35, 19, and 15, and then sleep. I mean, we don't really need food now. Come on. Oh, we don't really need food that much. I mean, I could do the 23 one as well. 23, 35. Let's do that. It's pretty close. Let's pee here to make it more hours. Perfect, now let's go. We're not hungry, we just ate. Ming, are you hungry? No, you're fine. Straight up over here. We can pee here to lessen it. Perfect. Pee here to lessen it. Perfect. It's at 15 now. Pee here to lessen it. 80%. Okay, perfect. Then I turn, go to 35. I think turn is this way? Yes, 35. After this episode, oh, we get the break. Give my computer, that is. Because it burned. Here. To strengthen it even more. Perfect, let's go. Oh, there it is. I can just go straight to it. Good. Then I go up 19, 15, 23. Okay. It's this way? Yes, 19, 15, 23. I don't think I can go more over to the left on the 19th side. What the? That's a plane! Or a really big bird. I think it's a plane. Most likely a plane. P here to make it bigger, stronger, whatever the word is. That's definitely a plane. Okay. Hey, you hungry? Nah, you're good. We're both good. It's fine. 19, we just have to P like twice, alpha once, P twice again, be done. Where is it here? No sign of it? Oh, there it is. I could probably just make my way over there and there. Howell once. Is it Howell? I mean, I guess it's fine considering. Perfect, and then and then how? See, up there, plane. It's just circling around. That's 80, so I get 15, 23, and 38. I could do 38 now. Ugh, they're trying to establish their territory around my territory. That sucks. It's fine, but it sucks. Okay, let's head towards 15. Yes, that should be 15 over there. Yes, good. Kind of happy. Okay. And then once we get 15, I'm gonna go to sleep. Sleep once again, and then get there. Or I could do the rest of the territories off camera, and then do Den's the next episode. I think I'll do that. Rest of the territories off camera, Den's next episode. That way, it's not like 3 to 5 episodes of territories. I mean, if anything... Oh, that's the border? Okay. Come on. Hey! Stop it. If anything interesting happens, I'll mention it, but in the next episode, but... Can I see this one? I like it. Okay. B twice and then home. Perfect. this is 80. So basically that's broken up. From the rest. I'm going to sleep now with my baby wolf. My wolf mate. Okay. Let's dance territories. That's 100. Everything else is getting worse. Okay. Oh, nope, that's the wrong way. This way. This way. Yes, perfect. Go this way. Okay, purple keeps coming in. I think purple's the most biggest annoyingness there is, so it's fine. This is more established territory than it is. Let's fight for the territories and then make puppies. So, I mean, if it's so long as just the outer banks that is getting a little bit yeeted, I'm fine with it. Oh, great, another snowstorm. Oh, we're almost there. I'm gonna pee twice and then. Here, and then how again. Perfect. I'm thinking getting these 3 or 4 and then ending the video and doing the rest out of video. It's this way. This way. Yes, perfect. I forgot how long walking through one helix was. There we go. What's that? That's on my territory. Oh, there it is. Perfect. How high? 53, 56. How warm? Okay, so that's 70 now. So I'm gonna go to 92, 54, and 16. That one, right? Yes. And P. I mean, there's a carcass over here. We can eat from that. You know, if it's still here. What's that? Water? On the map, it doesn't say anything about... Oh, it's over there, all the way over there. Okay, never mind. Am I being attacked? No? What is action music playing then? Here. I highly doubt we're actually gonna get attacked. Considering. But you never know. Healed, and yet my minor injury is still a minor injury. Yeah, I guess it's because it's on the leg. once more to make it stronger. Perfect. Then 53 and 16. Should I do 16 and then 53? I'll do 16 and then 53. Or whoever comes up first, basically. I'll do 16 then. Trot a bit and then pee again. And how to make it stronger. Perfect. 95, get the 53 one over here. You're not very hungry, I'm not very hungry. We don't have any injury. Neither do we. Okay. Oh, I have to turn this way then. Why is our mail dispersal? Fine. Oh, I think I see it. Okay. And yes, I do see the irony of making Wing a dog. Okay, I think that's 15. That's 22. Don't want to get the rest of these, and maybe some of these as well. Maybe push these all the way back, just like this. But hey, I'll do what I can. That's the... Well, I have to strengthen those as well. Push them back a bit. So, that's the end of this episode. Goodbye, people, peasants, and other. See you later, suckers!